Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to provision Omnichannel for customer service. First and foremost, it is important that you have a trial sandbox or production instance of Microsoft Dynamics 365. Once you are in Office 365 Admin Center, expand Billing and click on Purchase Services. Now scroll down and click on Add-ons. If you want to just try Omnichannel for customer service, scroll down and click on Dynamics 365 Customer Service Station Messaging Add-on Trial and click on Try Now. Don't worry, you will not be charged as you have a trial for 1 month for free. Give it a few minutes as Omnichannel for customer service would be provisioning in the background. So after waiting for a few minutes for Omnichannel for customer service to get provision, now scroll down and click on All Admin Centers. And here click on Dynamics 365. On this screen, you will be presented with all the environments that you have, and you'll also see the option for admin centers. Expand admin centers and click on Dynamics 365. And here click on applications. If we go to the next page, you will see that there is a new Omnichannel for customer service, but it's still not configured. So there's some bit of configuration which is still left for Omnichannel for customer service to be provisioned. To do that, click on Manage and ensure you actually give consent on the behalf of the organization and click on Accept. This is a very important step because this Web API integration is required for Omnichannel to connect with your Dynamics instance. Now, once you land on the screen, this is the screen for provisioning your Omnichannel for customer service. Click on Add Environment, and here in the drop down you will see the name of your Dynamics 365 instance. Select that and click on Next. Now in this particular screen, it will allow you to decide if you want to enable a chat widget, if you want to enable SMS as an Omnichannel, if you want to integrate other social media as well, including Facebook, Line, Twitter, WeChat, and WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is actually done through Twilio. You can also decide to provision Omnichannel for Microsoft Teams. And once you are done, it will take you to the confirmation screen wherein you can click on Finish. And if you click on Finish, it will actually start configuring Omnichannel for customer service for all the channels that you have selected on this particular wizard. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes depending on your network bandwidth and other scenarios. So in this particular video, I demonstrated how to initiate the provisioning of Omnichannel for customer service and how you can actually configure and activate different channels which are available from Omnichannel for customer service. In the upcoming videos, I'll be demonstrating how to actually configure different channels, different work streams, and so on. Thank you for watching this video.